Learners often confuse behind and in front of. These two prepositions are opposites. Behind means at the back, while in front of means before or facing something. Today, we'll learn how to use in front of clearly and confidently. Welcome back to our Prepositions of Place series. In the previous episode, we covered behind. Now, let's look at its exact opposite, in front of, which describes a position that is facing or before something else. In front of means something is positioned before another object. The front side is facing you first. It describes the area that lies ahead or toward the front of a thing or person. For example, a bicycle can be parked in front of a house, a student can stand in front of a blackboard, and a car can stop in front of a gate. In each situation, the object is positioned ahead of something else. We often use in front of with people. If someone stands before a group to speak, we say, "He is standing in front of the group." It means he faces them and they see him directly. In classrooms or cinemas, students sitting in the first row are in front of the people behind them. The position is clearly ahead, not beside or behind. When something is placed at the main side of a structure, we say it's in front of it. For example, there's a statue in front of the museum. It's the first thing visitors see. When talking about vehicles, in front of helps describe direction or position. We say, "The bus is in front of the car," or "Someone is walking in front of the bus." In front of shows physical position. Before can mean place or time. For example, "She is in front of the class" means she is physically ahead. But "she spoke before the class" often describes time. She spoke earlier. People often confuse in front of with opposite. If two buildings face each other, one is opposite the other. But if a person stands at the entrance of one building, that person is in front of it, not opposite. We often use in front of when giving directions. You might say, "The cafe is in front of the library," meaning the cafe is located directly ahead of it. A common mistake is using before instead of in front of. The correct preposition for location is in front of, not before, unless you're talking about time. Remember, in front of is the exact opposite of behind. If something is not at the back but at the forward-facing side, you use in front of. Here's a simple way to remember it. In front of means facing or ahead. If something appears first from your point of view, it's in front. Let's recap. Use in front of for objects or people positioned ahead or facing another thing. It's the clear opposite of behind and appears everywhere in daily life, from directions to descriptions. That's how we use the preposition in front of. It shows something in a forward, visible, or facing position. In our next episode, we'll learn between, a preposition that describes being in the middle of two things. Stay tuned and keep learning every preposition of place one by one.